Hi friend, I am going to give you 5 tips for coaching more effective group exercise or group training sessions online. This is going to help you feel more calm and confident going into coaching the session, but will also give the client a better user experience with this virtual training environment. Number 1, don't overcue. I know it can be our tendency as coaches and trainers to want to give all the information to the client, but try to rein it in. 1 to 2 cues per exercise is likely enough. Let them feel that cue in their body, get a chance to experience it, and then if you need more, you could always give more, but 1 to 2 cues per exercise and let it be. Number 2, make the workout structure simple. This doesn't mean that the workout has to be easy, but the structure of the workout, keep it simple and easy to follow. 1 to 3 exercises per circuit might be a good place to start. Listing 5 to 6 exercises that someone needs to remember is likely going to be too much for a virtual training experience, especially if someone is new to this. It's going to be far easier for you as the coach to just demo a few exercises and then get to coaching them from across the screen versus having all these exercises that people aren't going to be able to remember and them needing to check back in with you as they're trying to do their workout. Number 3, I need to check my list here. Demo the reps multiple times or even do full sets of the exercises. Especially in a class scenario, they're not going to be seeing people move around them in person like they would if they were at the gym or the studio. They're only going to be seeing you, or they're going to be seeing tiny small boxes of other people's screens. So they might want to be checking back in with the screen multiple times and seeing you also demoing the exercise if they forget what it looks like or they just need a reminder on certain aspects of the form. So demo that exercise more times than you would in an in-person scenario. Demo more times for the online session. Number 4, use people's names and call on them throughout the class. In an in-person scenario, it can be really easy to be walking around the room or the gym space, checking on people, adjusting form. Online, you're going to have to use their names, and I would recommend you do so multiple times per class if you have a group number where it's possible to do that. And the last tip I'll give you, number 5, mute the participants' audio, especially if you have a lot of members in the class, or in the case like me with my training where moms or parents are bringing their babies or kids, you might want to mute the audio. This might not be the right move for you if you have a group that's super quiet, but for people training at home, there might be kids, partners, spouses around, and it might be best for everyone in the class if the audio is muted. They can turn their audio on if they want to ask you a question. But again, the experience for the other people working out might be better if it is quieter and they can hear your coaching as the one voice throughout. Those are my 5 tips for you for helping you coach more effective group fitness classes online. And again, we want to think about this from our end as the coach or trainer, but also from the user experience on the other side of that screen. All right, good luck and have fun.